Since the early 1970s, we at Bollom have developed our passive fire protection technology to create a range of decorative intumescent coatings for structural steelwork, timber and broad wall and trim areas. When exposed to heat, our paints swell, increasing in volume and decreasing in density. The result is the creation of a light char, which is a poor conductor of heat. This acts as an insulating coating, which protects underlying materials from the heat generated by a fire and reduces the rate of surface spread of flame. Without surface protection, materials are more susceptible to the effects of fire. Watch what happens to this sheet of cardboard when exposed to a butane torch burning at 1400 degrees centigrade. Now watch what happens when the card is coated with Bollom Intumescent paint. Even when exposed to extreme and concentrated heat, the paint provides incredible fire resistance to the surface of the highly flammable card. Here we see what happens to timber when it is exposed to the same level of heat. Within 5 minutes, the torch burns a hole clean through. Regular paints and varnish offer very little resistance to the flame. Here we see how quickly they burn. Within 60 seconds, the paint and varnish have burnt away, leaving the timber surface completely exposed. But when we protect the panels with Bollom Flameguard Ultra, with Broflame Ultra Base Coat and Bollom Intulac Ultra Varnish, we see incredible fire resistance. In the same 5-minute period it took for the torch to burn completely through the unprotected timber, the rear of the Bollom protected panels is unblemished. Bollom Intumescent paints can be used to protect the structural integrity of building materials and surface spread of flame, in a way conventional paints cannot. This provides vital escape time in the event of a fire in a communal building. At Bollom, we offer intumescent coating solutions for all vulnerable areas of buildings. Brosteel Ultra 60 is a thin film water-based intumescent coating that provides up to 60 minutes fire resistance to structural steelwork. In the majority of cases, 30 minutes fire protection can be achieved with 1 coat and 60 minutes with 2 coats. Fire Shield Ultra Universal is designed for both interior and exterior structural steel. Depending on the level of specification, it can provide up to 120 minutes fire protection. An additional benefit is it is suited to winter and low temperature application. Flameguard Ultra is a Class O fire-rated protective and decorative top coat for interior walls and trim, tintable to virtually any colour, including every BS, RAL and NCS standard. It has its own proprietary primer for non-combustible surfaces and should be used over Bollom Broflame Ultra on combustible surfaces. The single-pack Intulac Ultra Varnish system provides a high-performance Class O fire-rated protective coating for interior wood surfaces in only 3 coats. It is available in clear matte and satin finishes. The Bollom range offers many benefits and advantages. Our products are fully tested to the relevant BS 476 standards. They help property owners and specifiers meet the requirements of building regulations and the Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005. They're easy to specify and can be applied by brush, roller or airless spray. Once the job is completed, we provide free fire certificates upon request. Our specification sales team can meet you on site and provide written specifications, and our technical advice line is on hand to answer any other questions you may have. Contact us today for more information, advice on specification, or to arrange a free site visit.